What does IQ mean? Incoming queen?
What does IQ mean? If qualified.
What does IQ mean? Ignorant quail?
What does IQ mean? I've got it. Ignore the quack.
What does IQ mean?
I'm crazy.
What does IQ mean? Important qualifications.
What does IQ mean? Indoor quarantine?
What does IQ mean? Oh, inspiring quote!
What does IQ mean? Intense qualities.
IQ, let's see, what does that mean? I think it means interesting questions.
What does IQ mean? International Quake.
What does IQ stand for? Invigorating quest?
I was curious, what does IQ mean? I know, involuntary quiver.
What does IQ mean?
It's quiet.
What does IQ mean? Interesting but quirky.
What does IQ mean? I quit.
Thanks for helping us discover all the IQs here at Laura Wilder, Gary. We'll miss you.
Do